some pieces of the ocean stone that I acquired from Canada, and I got it off of, I always watch Dan Hurd. He's in BC, British Columbia in Canada, and I purchased from there. I'll have the link to his YouTube channel. He also gets into a lot of gold mining, silver mining. So I got this and we cut it, you saw. So these are some of the pieces. This is what it looks like slabbed, the small pieces that I got. You definitely want to go watch his video and see how big of an area he's got to go ahead and mine this stuff. So next, let me show you the rocks polished up. Okay, so here I took two pieces. Let me get that right there. And I went ahead and I polished them up. I want to say that it was a little strange on polishing. I feel like it's kind of a layered stone there. So you kind of peel off like an onion skin, and that you start to get in, and then all of a sudden you get a new one. So you have a little bit of valley, you might call it a valley, in between some of the layers, and never could get it polished up flat and that, but it polishes up pretty nicely. And of course I'm going to be making some jewelry out of it. I've also got another piece that I polished, and it's just the blue portion right there, and I'll probably put it into a ring. This is ocean stone. It's a chalcedony, and it's called that because of the brown and blue. Looks like, you know, a combination of, you know, ocean and land. So if you're interested in getting some of that, check out Dan Hurd's website, and he also has a YouTube channel and that. All right, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you watching the video.